Let's face it, folks, we live in a world obsessed with money. It's how we buy our morning coffee, pay our rent, and even fund our dreams. But have you ever stopped to think about how the whole system actually works? It's like a giant, intricate machine with gears churning and levers being pulled. And at the heart of it all is the American banking system. Think of it like this. Banks are essentially the guardians of our money. We deposit our hard-earned cash and they keep it safe. But here's the kicker. They don't just let it sit there gathering dust. Oh no, they put that money to work, lending it out to others and stimulating the economy. It's a delicate dance of trust, regulation, and a whole lot of numbers. This isn't some boring economics lecture, folks. This is about understanding the lifeblood of our financial system. It's about knowing how your money is being used and how you can make smart decisions with it. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the fascinating world of American banking. It's time to demystify the system and empower ourselves with knowledge, because when it comes to our money, ignorance is not bliss. It's downright dangerous. So let's get informed, people. Understanding the banking system isn't just for economists or financial experts, it's for everyone who wants to take control of their financial future. From using banking apps to managing investments, every little bit of knowledge helps. So let's dive in, ask questions, and never stop learning. Because the more we know, the better we can navigate this complex world of money. And remember, every step we take towards financial literacy is a step towards a brighter future. Now, let's meet the big cheese, the head honcho, the conductor of this grand financial orchestra, the Federal Reserve, or as we like to call it, the Fed. Picture a bunch of serious-looking people in suits, huddled in a room, making decisions that affect your wallet. These are the folks who hold the reins of the American economy. Sounds intense, right? Well, that's because it is. The stakes are high and the pressure is immense. The Fed's job is to keep the American economy humming along smoothly like a well-oiled machine. They're like the financial referees, making sure things stay fair and balanced. They oversee the game, ensuring everyone plays by the rules. How do they do this? By controlling the money supply. It's a delicate dance of dollars and cents. Too much money floating around. Inflation goes through the roof and your dollar buys you a nickel's worth of goods. It's like a balloon that's about to burst. Too little money in circulation. The economy stalls and businesses go belly up. It's like a car running out of gas. The Fed has a few tricks up its sleeve to control this delicate balance. They are the masters of monetary magic. One of their most powerful tools is setting interest rates. This is where the magic happens. These rates determine how much it costs to borrow money, which in turn affects everything from home mortgages to business loans. It's a ripple effect that touches every corner of the economy. Lower interest rates mean cheaper borrowing, encouraging spending and economic growth. It's like a shot of adrenaline for the economy. Higher rates, on the other hand, can cool down an overheating economy by making borrowing more expensive. It's like turning down the heat on a boiling pot. But wait, there's more. The Fed's role doesn't stop there. The Fed also regulates banks, making sure they're playing by the rules and keeping your money safe. They are the guardians of financial stability. They're like the financial police, cracking down on risky behavior and ensuring the stability of the entire system. They keep a watchful eye on the banks. So yeah, the Fed's kind of a big deal. They're the unsung heroes of the American economy, working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. Now let's talk about where you, the average Joe or Jane, fit into this whole banking shebang. Whether you're just starting out or have been managing your finances for years, understanding the different types of banks can make a big difference. When you think of a bank, what comes to mind? Is it the place where you deposit your paycheck, or maybe where you got your first car loan? A giant imposing building with more marble columns than a Roman temple. These structures often symbolize stability and trust. Well, that's one type of bank, known as a commercial bank. These institutions are designed to handle a large volume of transactions and offer a variety of financial services. These are the big players in the game, offering a wide range of services to individuals and businesses alike. From loans to investment advice, they have it all. But fear not, my friends, because there's a whole other world of banking out there, one that's a bit more down to earth and community-oriented. These banks are more in tune with the local vibe. Enter community banks. Smaller institutions that focus on serving the needs of local folks and businesses. They often have a better understanding of the local economy and community needs. Think of them as the friendly neighborhood pubs of the banking world, offering a more personalized touch. You're more than just an account number here. And then we have credit unions, which are like the cool, non-profit cousins of the banking family. They operate with a focus on member benefits rather than profit. Owned and operated by their members, credit unions typically offer lower interest rates on loans and higher interest rates on savings accounts. They aim to provide the best possible financial services to their members. They're all about people helping people, promoting financial well-being within their communities. They often offer educational programs to help members make informed financial decisions. So whether you're a high-flying executive or a hard-working family, there's a bank out there that's right for you. The key is to find the one that best fits your lifestyle and financial goals. It's all about finding the institution that aligns with your values and meets your financial needs. Take the time to explore your options and choose wisely.